And you must not be afraid. You must not be afraid of rejection. It is human nature, you know. You may not be thinking it, but everyone doesn't like rejection. Everyone. Even me. Right? It's human nature. Right? But if you change the way you think, that they are not rejecting you. They are not rejecting you. When somebody says no to you, when you do the presentation, don't get depressed. Don't get suicidal. Relax. Remember last night I told you about the bad day? It doesn't only happen to us. It happens to everyone in the world. So when you go to somebody and do a presentation, you do not know what's happening in her mind. You don't know whether she's upset, depressed, sad, just found out, bad news in her family. I don't know. And you don't know whether she's afraid to become an entrepreneur. You don't know. So she's going to say no. It's not the end of the world. It's okay. All right? Because the last I checked, there is 7 billion people on planet Earth. Are you guys with me or not? So if somebody says no, I want you to smile. Are you guys with me or not? You must learn to love rejection. You won't believe this. I am Pathman Senati Raja. Alright? Alright? I do presentations until today because I'm your upline. So monkey see. So I still do presentation. And just about 2 weeks ago, I did a presentation. Me. And the moron said no. So people say no to me. It's okay. It was the greatest lesson I learned from Dato Sri Vijay. He said, Pathman, learn to love rejection. So I said, are you serious, Dato Sri? You know Dato Sri, right? Confuses me. After 17 years, he still confuses me. Right? I said, Dato Sri, what do you mean love rejection? Learn to love it. I don't like it. I don't like it, Dato. All right? He says, I don't care. Do you like medicine? Do you like medicine or not? But if you're going to die, and the doctor said, take this medicine, you will live. Will you take the medicine? So Dato Sri says, rejection is the stepping stones to max out. Do you understand? Rejection is the stepping stones to max out. So, I have been rejected thousands of times. I cannot count. But I never got negative. I never gave up on my dream. Now I don't care. All right, when I get rejected, I smile. When somebody rejects me, I give them a hug. I say, thank you, brother. All right? I say thank you because every freaking rejection means I'm getting closer to financial freedom.